It's Thursday, February the 11th, 2010 at 12 o'clock noon. Marvin is outside across the street from the house in a cul-de-sac helping the neighbors. He is actually helping right now with the sidewalk, doing a great job. We received over 54 inches of snow since last Friday. This is not an easy task. Takes a lot of energy. Marvin's been out there about 45 minutes. He started at our home, which is directly vertical from where he is standing. I'm upstairs in the master bedroom. Shooting down on him, keeping an eye on him, make sure he doesn't overdo it. The neighbor of the yard he's doing it has joined him again. DC Assistant Chief of Police. And in the back of the neighbor is a snowplow who's also working hard in the cul-de-sac at the top of the hill, trying to help those neighbors out as well. We are having some melting today. Absolutely beautiful. 32-degree weather. Happy plowing!